Hello folks, here at Jessica in Wisconsin. Today we happen to be here at Fond du Lac City. I was letting my husband know that I am super impressed how clean it is and how beautiful. It's actually not just the city, but also the outskirts, the countryside. What is that over there? Is that like a church? That's a beautiful building over there, guys. So this is my first time here in Fond du Lac. Never been to Fond du Lac before. This is our first time. And just like I said, not to say it, but I'm impressed. Even the roads, look at the roads. They're brand new. And it looks just clean. Fond du Lac, Wisconsin.
Yep.
Here we go, folks. Fond du Lac, downtown. We'll stop probably downtown so that you can see the streets. I want to see the architecture, see how it is. Just like I said, I'm impressed. You can see the streets also, and there is some areas here in Wisconsin where you go to, and it is pretty kind of like, I don't want to be mean, but there's a lot of potholes on the roads, right?
Oh, a lot of Wisconsin roads are horrible.
So coming to Fond du Lac, it's just like, wow, that's impressive. And the outside, the countryside is beautiful too. Just to give a heads up, folks. This is downtown Fond du Lac. Wow, it looks like a big city. I don't know how many people they have in here, but it looks like a big city already. Wow, that's nice. Look at that architecture. It looks absolutely beautiful. And I like how they have the American flags on both sides of the street. That is actually beautiful. See? That is nice. Wow, it's a big downtown too. It's not just...
It's a good sized town from what I understand.
So we are driving here in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin once again. Look at these buildings to the left hand side, guys. It seems like those buildings are from back in the days. The architecture is just very Wisconsinite. Very European looking like. Wow, this is a big downtown.
You know what I like that I see already?
Yes, honey?
No parking meters.
No parking meters?
Well, I take that back. There's
Whoops.
one over there. Just one. But look, all of this is open parking. They're not raping their people to actually stop and enjoy the place. They're encouraging people to use the community.
For people just to do it. Yeah. And yeah, just like I said, first time for my husband and I to be here. We came to Fond du Lac because he was looking for a trailer. We got what he wanted. Oh, look at these Catholic charities serving people's faith. Oh, I'm really impressed, honestly. That's really good. So this is Fond du Lac. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Irish pub. Oh my goodness. We are still here in Fond du Lac, people. Still driving around, see how the city is. Wow, they have a lot of things to do here too. A lot of...
I'm sure you plotted us a course to the ghetto for going to find some Mexican place.
No, it's not. It's not again.
We'll see.
I guess we're gonna go ahead and see. It's only what, 3 minutes away, guys. So we're gonna keep you here on the video to see how it is. My husband says it's a ghetto. I think it's not, but hey, what do I know? I'm not from here. Well, these are nice homes too. Look at that. From back in the days, huh?
Mm-hmm.
We still in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin, people. This is like the old neighborhood, seems like. A lot of Victorian looking like homes. Honestly, some of them need attention. And they should be able to remodel or fix them. Oh, not that next one. Okay, got it. Oh, house for sale. So, never been to Fond du Lac. First time in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. I think I want to come here and just spend a day or two and see what else is to see. Oh boy, here is the sheriff's department, people. It seems like it's a big jail here in Fond du Lac. We're still driving to this little Mexican place. I guess it's called La Mexicana. I don't know.
Hopefully it's open.
Yes. It shows that we are 2 minutes away from that. It seems like we're still downtown Fond du Lac. Los Mezcales. Oh my goodness, that's a Mexican restaurant too? I don't know. One thing that I noticed here in Fond du Lac too is that they do have a lot of jobs, people. Like a lot of factories look like. And we noticed that they have a lot of apartment complex, right, hon?
They do. And it's a lot of new intermixed with existing.
Yeah.
A lot of new construction.
Yeah. But this is Fond du Lac. Impressed already. Oh, this is the train station?
Old train station?
Oh my. That's a historical building. I don't see train tracks anymore.
No, there are no tracks here.
Wow. Yeah, that used to be the train station back in the days. Oh, a lot of building, a lot of mix, new and old buildings, that's for sure. So it's not a ghetto. It seems like it's gonna be a business area where this La Mexicana is, and this is it. It is right there, folks. This is where we arrive. So it's not a ghetto. It's just like an industrial mixed place. Thank you for watching us here at Jessica in Wisconsin, Jeff and Jess Sinna. We'll see you next time, and we'll let you know how this La Mexicana is, guys. Thank you for watching us.